Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tag video. I was tagged by Amy from Amy Loves Makeup. If you've not checked her channel, I'll link her video down below so you guys can check her out. And it's the YouTube beauty community tag, so she did tag me on this tag, and I will also tag a few people down below. So check down in my description box. I will be tagging a few of you guys also, so you guys can go ahead and do this tag as well. I will leave down below all the questions that are in this tag so you guys know what the questions are. So let's just jump right in. So the first question is, what are your favorite videos to watch? So my favorite videos to watch on YouTube are actually tutorials. I like watching tutorials. I also like watching makeup hauls. I like to see what other people buy and see if I need to pick something up. What else do I like to watch? There are a few people that I like to watch their vlogs. Like, I don't do anything to really vlog or anything like that, but I like to watch other vlogs. Like, some of my favorites is What Would Lizzie Vlog? I like watching Casey Holmes vlogs also. Who else's vlogs do I like to watch? I like to watch vlogs, so vlogs are another one that I like to watch. And I think that's it. So makeup hauls, makeup tutorials, and some vlogs. I don't watch everybody's vlogs. Also depends how long it is. Oh, another person that I like to watch is Coffee Break with Danny. Her vlogs are always like an hour, but I just put her on, I just push play on her videos and I like clean my house or whatever. She's pretty entertaining, so an hour-long vlog pretty much goes by fast, especially when you're cleaning. But yeah, those are my favorite types of videos to watch. The next question is, what are your favorite videos to film? I like to film, again, like tutorials. I like to film tutorials. The only thing is that my tutorial videos don't really get a lot of views. It just feels like people aren't really interested in makeup tutorials anymore. That's why when I do reviews and I'm like reviewing a palette, I like to include like a makeup tutorial at the end of the review. That way I can just include like a makeup tutorial. So I do like to film, again, makeup tutorials, but they don't get the most views on my channel. The most views that I get on my channel are makeup reviews, but that gets really expensive, and especially when you're on a low buy, that gets kind of hard. So the next question is, what are your least favorite videos to watch? I don't know. I don't really have a least favorite videos to watch. Like, I like watching some vlogs. Not everybody's vlogs I'll watch. You have to be doing something or going somewhere, like, for me to watch them. If you're just at home, like, cleaning and stuff, like, I'm not... Oh, I guess I do have one. So, I don't like watching, like, clean with me videos. I'm just like, what's the point of those? Like, I don't ever click on any clean with me videos. So, I guess those ones would be my least favorite videos to watch, are the clean with me videos. Number 4 is, what is your favorite part of the beauty community? My favorite part of the beauty community is, I like that you're able to connect with other girls and guys here on YouTube. Like, we all share a passion of makeup. We like talking about makeup. We like to apply it. And yeah, like, I don't have a lot of real life friends that are like super into makeup like I am. So a lot of the girls that I've met here on YouTube, just through like not even meeting them in person, I've only met like maybe 5 or 6 girls from YouTube or Instagram, like at Generation Beauty. I like that you create like friendships because of the interests that we all have, which is makeup. I think like beauty events are cool, especially like Generation Beauty, where you meet girls that are from YouTube and you like support their channel, and then you can meet them in person. Like, I think it's like really cool. And there's Generation Beauty LA, but I don't think I'm gonna be going to that. And I know Alyssa, I know you're going to Generation Beauty. It would be so awesome if I got to meet you, but I don't think I'm gonna go to Generation Beauty LA. I want to go to New York, and that one's in the end of the year. I want to go to the New York one, so that's what I'm shooting for. So we'll see if that happens. Hopefully it does, but that's what I asked for my Christmas or my birthday present this year, so hopefully. Number 5 is, what is your least favorite part of the beauty community? And my least favorite part of that, I feel like it's more people using other people's to try to gain for themselves. Like, I'm talking about like collabs and stuff, like random people that ask you to collab when you've never watched any of their videos or they've never showed support on your channel and they ask you to collab. like I don't mind collabing with like friends and stuff or people that I actually watch and they watch me and they support my channel. Like of course, like I'd love to collab with you, but like just random people that want to just collab just because they see you do good, like that's like the thing that I'm just like, really, like we've never talked and you're asking me to collab with you. So it's just, I think that's just like my least favorite part. Work hard, working hard with on your channel and showing progress, you know, on your own work, like show that you're working hard for your channel to grow, and that is just the best way, you know. Upload frequently, try to have interaction with people. Also, you interact with other people as well so you can gain friends here on YouTube, you know, and people just that you enjoy watching and they come and watch your videos too, you know. Just show support to other people's. You can't to other people's to other people, you can't just expect to collab with someone and grow. Like you just need to work hard for your channel if this is what you really want to do and what you love to talk about is makeup, just like it is for myself. So just putting the effort into your channel and not using other people to grow yourself, I feel like that is pretty much what I least like about the beauty community, is just like people using other people to gain for themselves. Number 6 is what motivated you to start your channel. I was motivated to start my YouTube channel. I was wanting to start it for a few months, and I had my little tripod and everything to be able to film, but I just never did it. And then one day I just decided I'm gonna film a makeup tutorial, and that video is still up, and it's probably my worst video that I've ever uploaded. Of course, you're new, you're not gonna know how to really be on camera, and with time, of course, you get more comfortable talking to the camera. What motivated to start my channel was that I learned how to do my makeup watching makeup tutorials, so I wanted to start my channel to talk about makeup because that's just like what I love. Like I felt like I connected with people online because they talked about makeup and that's what I like. And also I learned to do my makeup watching others do their makeup through YouTube videos. So that's what motivated me to start my YouTube channel. And also, it's funny because you know how a lot of bigger influencers are like, you know, if you're wanting to start your channel, go ahead and start it, you know, and there's just a lot of the beauty influencers mentioning it in their videos, and I just felt like they were talking to me. So that's why I decided to start my channel, and I've really been enjoying it. I do upload twice a week, and it's kind of a lot of work, you know, the setup, filming, making sure your lighting is good, editing, uploading. Like my internet's slow, so I have to compress my videos before I even try to upload. Like it's a lot of work. It's not just filming and then uploading it onto YouTube. Like there's a lot of different things you have to do to have a good video. So yeah, so what motivated me to start my YouTube channel was just that I learned about makeup and makeup tutorials and how to do my makeup through makeup tutorials, so I wanted to be able to teach somebody else. Number 7 is who inspires you on YouTube? That's kind of hard because I have a lot of girls that I like to watch. Like I like to watch that girl Shay XO. I like watching Casey Holmes. I like watching Kathleen Lights is another one that I like to watch. Who else do I like to watch? Like I have like brain farts all of a sudden. Who inspires me on YouTube? I feel like that girl Shay XO, I've watched her since she had that like you're gorgeous or gorgeous background. It was like white like mine, but it had like you're gorgeous in the background. I like her because she always steps out, always playing with color, always playing with natural shades like glitter, cut creases. Like she always has a variety on her channel, and she I think is the one that inspires me the most because she is the one that I subscribe to I've been subscribed to the longest. And I just love that she's like free-spirited, down to earth, like she's not afraid to play with color again, and she just always has beautiful makeup looks. So I just really enjoy her. So I feel like she inspires me a lot because she always has like variety on her channel. Number 8 is number 1 thing you would change about the beauty community. I think it'd be more of learning to work together, I guess, and not be so catty and stuff like that. Like we're all here to do one thing and to talk about makeup and to teach others about makeup and stuff like that. We all love makeup, obviously. That's why we're doing YouTube videos. I don't know. There's not really, again, I've only done it for 2 years, so there's not really something that I'm like, oh, it's so annoying or one thing or not. I think it's more of like being noticed by brands also, because I feel like brands are more focused on like bigger influencers. So I feel like also that like I wish brands would not look at numbers and just be able to, you know, if they like your picture, be able to do some reposts, not even like sending you PR or anything, just like notice you like a picture or repost your picture on their page, you know, so you can be found as well. Like I just feel like they look at numbers and stuff like that, and I just feel like they should give everybody an equal chance to be able to grow. Number one advice for other creators, new people starting out a channel. So I feel like if you want to start a channel and you're passionate about makeup, definitely start a channel. You do not need to be so extravagant. That's the only thing here. Like I have 2 softboxes, I have a ring light, my camera, I have 2 lights next to me, my backdrop, I have a light on top of my head. Like there's so much freaking lighting. Like it's so much to do a video. I feel like if just start off with what you have. Don't go off and buy an expensive camera just when you're starting off, because you do not know if you're going to like doing this. So I just feel like start off with what you have. Buy an affordable tripod. I used my little Canon PowerShot. It was not all that great. There was the longest time where I just used my phone. The phones nowadays, iPhones are like the best camera that you can get right now. It has like the best quality cameras. So I would suggest just using your phone. Buy a little like holder thing that would hold your phone. When I first started, I had a $10 tripod. I used my phone as my camera, and then I stuck some like those plastic storage cases that I wasn't using. Like I had my tripod sitting on top of that, and I know a lot of people use like books and stuff. So just start off with what you have. I say don't go off and splurge on all this equipment for your channel when you don't even know if you're gonna like it. You know, some people start it and they don't even like it, and then you're stuck with what, a $500 camera, and you're like, if you didn't pay it off, you're in debt now for that, you know. So I feel like you should just start off with what you have, and as you keep on doing it and as you're growing, start investing in your channel. Again, I've been doing this for almost 2 years in March, so it has taken time for me to get everything that I do have. Another thing that I want to mention is be consistent. You should probably upload at least 2 times a week, because 1 time a week, you're not really, like, especially if you're starting, you're not gonna really be found by people. So you have to be consistent of at least 2 times a week. I know they were saying like 3-4 times a week, but I can't do that. I have a full-time job, so I do this as a hobby. So I try to upload 2 times a week on Mondays and Thursdays. That's when I usually try to upload. I did have 2 weeks off work, so I was kind of slacking on my upload days, but try to be consistent. Consistency is key, so definitely be consistent, and also use what you have in the beginning. Don't start super extravagant or anything, and yeah. And the last question is, what do you love about YouTube as a whole? So I love to talk about makeup. I love applying makeup. I have a shitload of makeup, so I just love makeup in general. That's like my favorite. I like how it makes you feel, like how it transforms you when you apply it. I love the people that you meet. I love interacting with people that aren't like other YouTubers, just like regular people. How I'm just a regular person too, you know, I'm just a regular person doing videos. So I just like how the beauty community kind of gets together, you know, and shares a passion, which is makeup again. And we all just really enjoy talking about it and applying it. And yeah, like I think that's my favorite part. And also the favorite part is like the friends you have created doing YouTube. Again, Generation Beauty is just something, I told my husband that was like the best birthday present ever, just because I was able to talk to people about makeup all weekend long, meet up with people that I've seen on YouTube, and was able to meet them in person. Like, I just told him it was the best birthday present ever. So that's why I want to go to New York, Generation Beauty New York, to be able to meet other influencers as well. As a YouTube whole, just the friendships you get to create is just like the best thing, I guess, and you just get to talk about makeup like all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also check down in the description box to see if I tagged you so you can do a video as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you all next time. Bye!